We have spent all day today doing this scavenger hunt, you guys. Every single takeover, I've been like, we should do the scavenger hunt. And then we look at the list and we're like, how are we going to do this amongst doing everything else? So we made a commitment this time. We've started it and we're going to finish it. We're just about done. What did you say? We have 7 more things to do. So we've done all of these spots here. We have 1 more to get. And then there's 2 pages of like activities to do. So we made some party hats. This one was Miles. He loves milk. So we're just knocking them out. We got like 7 tasks left to do. Like,
it's Thursday today, by the way, guys.
It's Thursday. Yes, today is Thursday of UTV Takeover in Winchester Bay. So we got to get like a group selfie with a pizza from Bedrocks and some lakes and Brown Falcon party tonight for Dawn's birthday. So we got some things that we can't do till later anyway. So we're getting ready to go to the NA short course. That's what's happening now. So we're getting everything prepped and ready to go. And we'll drop a little reel of all the pictures from our scavenger hunt once we've completed it. Show you guys. It's been hard to like, Will's been our camera guy. We've adopted Will for the weekend. He's been in all the pictures with us. So none of us have, it's like hard going in and out, in and out, in and out, trying to take pictures and then also record. So kind of, and have a baby, and well, not have a baby like out there, but like toting a baby around. So power to all you families that do the events like this, like the scavenger hunt, toting them around. It's a lot of work, you guys. Miles is napping right now while we get ready, and we're just having a good time. So we've just kind of taken today to do the scavenger hunt. So we haven't recorded it at all, and just kind of enjoying it and capturing all the pictures. It's been fun. It's been a lot of fun. So you guys should definitely do it. Put it on your to-do, and at some point make the commitment. It's definitely worth it.
Every single day going MIA. Just let it go, boy. Money bling bling, style bling bling. Bet you don't recognize me. Only love me when I'm leaving. Don't you know that it's so ironic? 'Cause I don't need you by my side. I'll be fine. 혼자가 좋아 better on my own. It's ironic. What? Don't let me
of things in this video, and you're just like, man, this is not a normal video for y'all. And to be honest with you, there was so many things happening, and there's a lot of disorganization, which I blame myself for. And I am trying my hardest to make sense of this video. Basically, what happened was from the beginning, it was the night. It started off the night with a lot of fun, and then I just was not being organized enough with how I dropped my SD cards into my computer and saved stuff, and it just turned out to be an absolute nightmare to try to finish this video because there were so many missing things. I labeled folders on my computer for days that they were not. I just got lost, and I apologize. It's a fun video. I hope you like it. There's a lot of music, a lot of whatever, and there just wasn't a lot of vlogging the way that I wanted there to be. But I hope you guys understand that sometimes we get lost in the mix of fun, and I just don't keep up with things. I'm actually working right now on how to become more organized. I don't know how many of you guys struggle with organization, but I am super ADHD way before everybody claimed they were. I'm pretty sure that I've been ADHD since I was a child. I'm pretty certain baby Miles has it too, because he is all over the place. He focuses for like 10 seconds on one thing, and then after that he's just like on some other level. But the next video, I think I was able to figure out the organizational side of things. And so Sunday's video is going to be a lot more organized, a lot more talking. It's so hard because some people just want action, some people just want talking. I don't know how to keep up with everything, but at the end of the day, I'm just going to make the videos I want to make, the way I want to make them. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. And there's one more takeover video coming out, and then after that, we jump over to Crashapalooza with Zach, which I'm pretty certain that video should be fairly organized for the most part. And then I'm working on a system here forward. Probably going to miss a week of videos from us again. And then I'm going to come up with very creative ideas to keep you guys entertained. And like I said, I don't do this for y'all. I know that sounds messed up. I do it for my family first, and then you guys second, because family should come first on everything. But I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to keep trying my hardest to get better and better. I need to get organized. I feel like if my organizational skills were great, our videos will be better. And I hope that you guys just keep watching and keep following our adventures just as a family. And yeah, so many people that we have met and I have met throughout traveling. It's just crazy, but we love y'all so much. Thanks for always supporting us. Thanks for loving us. And I promise you guys, the videos will get better and they'll get more organized coming up. And we have all these crazy things that we're trying to do right now. But going to the sand show next, that's probably the next thing. But you're not even going to see that until after Crashapalooza and all this other jazz. But love y'all so much. Thanks for everybody that showed us love and came and said hi to us. We really appreciate it. As always, I say it repetitiously, but it's mainly because I just do appreciate you guys. So have a great night, morning, afternoon, whenever you're watching this. And if you're taking a poop while you're watching this, make sure to wipe. Goodbye.